Maps are documents every one of us has used in one moment or the other, maybe to look for a direction or to do a study of a camp that you're going to have in the next season. And these documents are generated using and following a clear plan and a clear direction of accurate measurements that were carried out. The surveying field has helped in developing such maps and other critical developments to be carried out precisely and accurately. These activities done by surveyors are solutions provided in different branches of surveying, and these branches are dependent to the solutions provided. And today I'm going to discuss 4 of these branches, mainly not the only ones that are in the survey field, but just a few of them. And number 1 is geodesy. Geodesy is the mother of all surveying work. Why? Because geodesy enables us to do the mapping of the globe as it is, then project that globe into a flat surface using mathematical models that have been calculated and have been established so that you can map the globe and then project it on the flat surface to do measurements and plans on that flat surface. And this has enabled us to do different development and to develop the surveying field as it has grown. Number 2 is cadastral surveying. Cadastral surveying is the legal side of surveying work. Why? Because you are doing boundary surveying, doing subdivisions of parcels, then using those documents to register them and provide legal proof of someone owning a parcel of land. A boundary cannot be legally binding if it is not subject to a title to land. And these documents, when you do a survey, you prepare documents to be handed over for registration. And these registered documents are the ones that enable us to hand you a title deed so that you can enforce your claim to land. Number 3 is topographical surveying. Topographical surveying in general is mapping the surface of the earth as it is, mapping all the features. Could be man-made features like buildings, could be streams or trees, mapping all of them to understand how high they are, how low they are, so that if you are designing a drainage, you can be able to design it following a clear path so that it doesn't have backlogs or it flows gently as the design would require it. That's why a topographical map is needed in most design works. And lastly, number 4 of the branches I'm going to discuss is engineering surveying. As the name states, engineering surveying is related with engineering works, because as an engineer does the engineering analysis, and they do the architectural analysis and structural analysis, what they bring on the ground is how and what should be done. A surveyor takes all these analysis and they spatially locate each and every point as it should be according to the plan and according to the design. This is a very critical process because if you miss just 1 millimeter, you can imagine missing 1 millimeter in each and every floor. The time you are reaching like the 20th floor, you have a misaligned column, and this is a high stakes project or a high stakes branch in surveying. If you want to know more about this branch, you can check out the video I made about how surveyors guided the construction of the Burj Khalifa. I link that link on the description so you can check that out. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you on the next one.